Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about converting a slope-intercept form in graphing them. So sometimes you get a problem, an equation like this, and you be wondering, how can I graph it when it doesn't look like this, like those, the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So we need to change this first so it can look like this. Okay. And then we can plot it and when we graph it. All right, I will show you how. Okay, so we need to first we're gonna leave the y on this side. So we're gonna do some algebra here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the y on the left side and the right and this here in the left, and I'm gonna move the 2x to the right by subtracting it. Okay, so that it'll give me y equals negative 2x plus 3. Okay, so you see now it's like similar now to that form. So now with this form, I can start graphing. Okay, so I already have the slope, which is negative 2. So what I need now is I could choose 0. Let me see, let's get a table. Okay, x, y, so yellow, yellow. Okay, so I'm going to use 0 and use 0, 1, and 2. Let me use those three. Plug in the x so I can find me the y, so then we can get some points. Okay, y is equal to 2 negative 2x plus 3. So back to red. So if I do y equals negative 2 times 0 plus 3, the 0 cancels out the negative 2, leaving me with 3. So we have our first point, 0, 3. Now if I do with a 1, negative 2 times 1, that would be negative 2 plus 3, which would be 1. Okay, so that would be 1 here. So then if I do 2 now, negative 2 times 2 plus 3, that would be negative 4 plus 3, which will end up giving us a negative 1. Okay, so I got 3 points now. So I got 0, 3, I got 1, 1, and I got 2, negative 1. Okay, so we're going to plug those in now. So we're going to put what we need here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's find that. We have 0 here. So we're going to do 0, 3. So I'm going to plug that in here. So that's 0, 3. It's going to have a negative slope, so it's going to go down. All right, so then you have 1, 1. And we got 2, negative 1. Okay. So our line will look something like this. All right. All right. So that's how you convert a slope-intercept form when they don't give you no points. And that's how you plot them. Once you make your chart table, you rearrange the form first, then you make your table, then you start putting the x variables in that you put to find the y, and then you plug them in, okay, and graph them. All right, that is all for today. This is Mr. Frederick out.